Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to get started with crypto trading for advance. As we all know, crypto trading has become a popular investment option for people all over the world. With the rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, it's no wonder that more and more people are becoming interested in trading them. However, before you start trading, there are some things you need to know. So, let's get started. Step 1. Do your research before you start trading. It's important to do your research. You need to have a good understanding of the market and the different cryptocurrencies available. You also need to know about the different exchanges and trading platforms that you can use. This will help you make informed decisions when it comes to trading. Step 2. Choose a trading strategy. Once you have a good understanding of the market, you need to choose a trading strategy. There are several strategies that you can use, such as day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Each strategy has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to choose one that suits your goals and risk tolerance. Step 3. Choose a trading platform. After you have chosen your trading strategy, you need to choose a trading platform. There are many platforms available, each with its own features and fees. It's important to choose a platform that is secure, user-friendly, and has low fees. Step 4. Create an account and fund it. Once you have chosen your trading platform, you need to create an account and fund it. This will allow you to start trading. It's important to choose a platform that has a good reputation and is secure. Step 5. Start trading. Now that you have done your research, chosen your trading strategy, chosen a trading platform, and funded your account, you can start trading. Remember to stick to your strategy and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, that's it. Those are the steps to get started with crypto trading for advance. Remember to do your research, choose a trading strategy that suits your goals and risk tolerance, choose a secure and user-friendly trading platform, create an account and fund it, and start trading. Good luck and happy trading.